I was coming down, I was low and all alone, trying not to drown in a one-man raft full of holes. You cut like colors in the half-light. You struck like lightning and I held tight. I was playing with fire, didn't care if it burned, and I was barely alive, always hiding the hurt. I was nobody, nobody, nobody before I loved you. Yeah, I was roaming lost, didn't know my name, and I was hitting low till I saw your face. I was nobody, nobody, nobody before I loved you. Before I loved you. You stole my sorry heart, cleaned me up and didn't let me go. You called me through the dark, yeah, I followed your voice out of the cold. You cut like colors in the half-light. You struck like lightning and I held tight. I was playing with fire, didn't care if it burned, and I was barely alive, always hiding the hurt. I was nobody, nobody, nobody before I loved you. I was roaming lost, didn't know my name, and I was hitting low till I saw your face. I was nobody, nobody, nobody before I loved you. Before I loved you. I was nobody, nobody, nobody before I loved you. I was nobody, nobody, nobody. Yeah, you called my name and my whole world changed. 'Cause I love somebody. 'Cause I love somebody. I was playing with fire, didn't care if it burned, and I was barely alive, always hiding the hurt. I was nobody, nobody, nobody before I loved you. Yeah, I was roaming lost, didn't know my name, and I was hitting low till I saw your face. I was nobody, nobody, nobody before I loved you. Before I loved you.
Paano bang mababawi lahat ng mga nasabi? Di naman inakalang ika'y darating lang bigla nang walang babala. Sa isang iglap, nagbagong lahat. Hindi ko na kaya pa na magbangga. Ikaw ang kumpas pag naliligaw. Ikaw ang kulay sa langit na bugaw. Sa bawat bagyo na dumadayo, ikaw ang kanlungan na kailangan ko. Kahit hindi mo alam, ilang beses mo kong niligtas. Ikaw ang hantungan at aking wakas. Paano maniniwala ika'y nasa aking harapan? Di naman naiplano, ako'y mamihag ng ganito. Totoo ba'y
Nagsisisi ka ba na si John ang napangasawa mo?
Minsan.
Grabe ka. Okay. Bakit naitanong ko ito sa kanila, mga kapatid? Dahil ang mga nagdiriwang ngayon ng kanilang 13 years na anibersaryo bilang mag-asawa ay isang buhay na patotoo, na sa kabila ng mga pagsubok, paghihirap sa kanilang pinagdaanan sa buhay pag-asawa at mga kahinaan bilang tao, ay ipinakita nila na posible pala sa mag-aasawa ang maging tapat sa sinumpaan nila sa araw ng kanilang kasal. Noong 13 years nang nakalipas, si April, Grace at Johnny ay nagsumpaan sa harap ng altar ng Panginoon na magmamahalan sa hirap man o sa ginhawa, sa dusa at kaligayahan, magpakailanman hanggang kamatayan. Diyan, ano ang ginawa ninyo kung bakit umabot kayo ng 13 years na pagsasama? Sino?
Mahal kita,
Basta't mahal kita,
basta't mahal kita,
mahal kita maging.
mahal kita maging.
Sino ka man?
Sipol ka na.
Ikaw naman, April. Yan ang kantahin mo sa kanya. Alam ko, alam mo na yung kanta mo. Sige na, titigan mo yung mukha niya. Mahal. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, grabe.
Pagkat mahal kita,
Titigan mo siya.
inisip nila hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man.
Hindi ko man sinabi na taasan mo. Hindi ko na maabot. Tama na, baka ma-inlove kami ni Father JR, no? So, patuloy lang, kapit sa Panginoon, no? At alam ko na hindi kayo pababayaan, no? Tuloy pa rin, no, hanggang kamatayan ang maghihiwalay sa inyo. Okay? Palakpakan natin ang lumang kasal. Di ba luma na kayo? Okay, palakpak.
Ang aking pasyon. Noong tinipan kita, maging aking may bahay. Sa hirap at ginawa, sa dusa at ligawan. Ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karumpong ng buhay ngayon at kailanman. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Okay, ikaw naman, Grace. Titigan mo yung mukha niya. Kailanman, di kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Okay, so isuot mo na. Okay.
Sa dulo ng mensaheng ito, magagalak ka. Kabaliktaran ng relasyon natin na sa unang mo lang pinasaya pero sa huli, pinagbuusan mo na. Sorry. 12 years ago, turning 13 by this year, I promise to love you for better or for worse. But damn, experienced the worst. As I am talking to you right now, I will be very honest to you, to all the witnesses, and most especially to God.
At wish ko rin ngayong birthday mo ay bigyan ka pa ng malakas na pangangatawan at kapanatagan ng isipan. Sana ibigay na sa atin ang hinihiling natin matagal na magkaroon pa ng isa. Please Lord, ibigay mo na. Walang iwanan hanggang dulo. Minsan ayaw mo na talaga sa akin. Kaya lang matigas talaga ang ulo ko at makulit. Kahit nga pinapalayas mo na nga ako nandito pa rin ako. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal.
But we know where we've been, so won't you come with me to the oceans and surrender all our fears to the wild wind. Even if the sky falls down, even if the seas dry up, I'll love you when there's nothing left. I'll love you till I find no breath, 'cause you're my daylight when the night is holding on, and I won't let you go if the sky falls down. Even if the sky falls down, I may not always have the answers or the words to lift you up, but I'll give you all of my heart and take the price that comes with love. So won't you come with me through the fire and rain, surrender all our days to build a life untamed. Even if the sky falls down, even if the seas dry up, I'll love you when there's nothing left. I'll love you till I find no breath, 'cause you're my daylight when the night is holding on, and I won't let you go if the sky falls down. Even if the sky falls down. You are the love of my life. You set my heart on fire. Before we met, I was lost, too weak to carry on. I'm losing my mind and I can't speak. Can't believe that you're here with me. I'm losing my mind and I can't breathe. Oh, you know that all I want is to be. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. No, no, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms.
Actually, si Groom ang nagpo-provide yan and si wife ang bahalang mag-designate. Ayan. So, ganun po ang ating tradisyon sa mag-asawa. Palakihan ng pag-ibig lang. Yun lang siya. There you go. Ay, bakit may hagod B? Ano ba yan? Okay, next. Ang sarap na cake. Next, of course, our bride to the group. May pagganyan. Ramdam niyo, palakpakan po natin. May tumutunog pang mga baso, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay ka lang, mag-ilan. Okay lang. 9, 10. Nakipaganda. Ikaw, palakpakan natin. April, ayan siya. Ito naman.
Kahit na may busy schedules po kayo is nag-make time po talaga kayo na makapunta po rito sa wedding po ni Nanay, sa renewal of vows ni Nanay. And ang message ko po para kina Nanay at Tatay, stay strong. And I know marami pa po yung mga pagsubok, yung mga hamon na darating po sa buhay ninyo. I just hope na hindi po kayo magsawang unawain yung isa't isa kasi at makinig sa isa't isa kasi Nay, Tay, I love you so much. Hindi ko man maiparamdam yan sa inyo, pero I really, really, really love you po. Thank you for the life po. Thank you po sa paghihirap ninyo kasi we really do appreciate your efforts po. I love you po. Thank you.
There you go. Thank you so much, Nika. And now it's the time for our best man, Nash, to give his message.
Ang message ko lang po sa kanilang dalawa ay sana maging matatag po sila at congratulations po.
Okay, there you go. And of course, our best man Nash will be leading the toast for everyone.
Let's go.
Ayan, ang lahat po ay iangat ang inyong mga baso, anuman po ang laman. And sabay-sabay po tayo magsabi ng cheers and congratulations. John and April, our bride and groom will intertwine their arms while drinking the wine.
There you go. You may now make a wish, April or Mahal. And right after that, pwede mo nang i-blow ang inyong candle. Happy birthday to you. Ba't may baso pa rin? Happy birthday. Minsan di ko maintindihan yung mga birthday, pero may baso. Ikikiss niya ba ang cake, guys? Happy birthday. And there you go, blowing the candle on cake. Malakpakan po natin, April at 36. Happy birthday, April, diba? This is a double celebration.
Kung may pagkaunawaan, pag-usapan niyo sa gabi. Huwag niyong hayaan na umagahan na hindi kayo mag-ayos. Ang mga pagsubok na yan, parte lang yan ng buhay natin may asawa. Kasi alam niyo naman ang pinagdaanan ko. Kung babalikan ko ang mga nakaraan, sobra-sobrang paghihirap ang nadanas.
Gusto kong makarating sa kanila ang magandang kapalaran ng pagmamahal at pag-uunawaan sa buhay. Before everything else, naririto tayong lahat, hindi lamang makisali sa ganitong pagtitipon ng pagkain. Naririto tayong lahat upang buklod ang isang pagsasamang muli sa kagandahan ng buhay. So maraming salamat una sa lahat sa inyong lahat, sa mga ninong at ninang na nag-oo na maging pangalawang nanay, hindi lamang nanay sa dugo, hindi nanay sa espiritual na buhay. Maraming salamat sa mga bata na naririto ngayon mula sa maliit hanggang sa dalagita o sultirito. Katapatan, pag-uunawaan, at huwag hayaang mawala ang love sa isa't isa. Okay? We love you all. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Alam nyo sa buhay mag-asawa, nariyan yung trials, hindi lang slight na trials, pero sa mag-asawa, ang mag-struggle para matagumpayan ang magandang buhay. Kuhaan nyo na lang yung buhay namin ni Tiyo nyo. Ganon siguro. Sana, ganon kayo. Pero alam ko na andyan yung katatagan nyo. Andyan yung pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa. Alam ko si Jan, mahal na mahal kay April. Alam ko yun, sobrang mahaba rin ang pasensya niya. Kung nagkakasala siya, sana mapatawad mo rin. Ganon ka rin. Ganon kayo sa isa't isa. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
for the car transfer prize.
Spaghetti pababa.
Bababa ng ba?
Spaghetti pababa.
Yeah, wow, grabe naman sa headphone. Kailangan namin ng budget. Oh. Okay. Ang sabi ni Mr. at Mrs. parehas na sagot nila, Mendoza Park! Mendoza na naman. Yun na. Oh, yes. Oh, gumatang na. Bababang muli, luluhod na si Jan at papasok na sa area of responsibility. Ayan na. Pinawisan po bigla. Tuwang-tuwa po si Roy. Tuwang-tuwa si Roy at si Mark. Palakpakan po natin. Dive between 2 feet. Inshallah. Eksakto, night dive. Luhod. Okay. Pasok. Ayan, pwede nang kamayan pag nasa tuhod na. O, diba? Galit na si Naila. Sabi niya, ikaw masyado. Okay, there you go. Palakpakan po natin, Naila.
Ang lights and sounds natin, maganda rin ang quality. Ang CVN Lights and Sounds. And of course, grabe, ang napakagaling natin na host. Si Miss Jessica Rule na and Sir G-Boy na ating spinner. Sa pika-pika natin yung LGBC events, styling and catering. Sa cakes natin, Baby HMB Cakes. And of course, meron din tayong cakes from Crisanta Guilyamas nakasama sa ating food and lechon package. No, napakasarap din po at napakamura ng kanilang food package. Sa styling kay Sir B. Prince, thank you so much, sir, sa invitation natin sa Jam DIY. Ang ating glam team, Fitzgerald. Inaanak ko yan siya, tapos ninang ko yung nanay niya.
Kaya pala.
Tapos ninang din, ang ninang ko, ninang din ang anak ko. Diba? Close family ties.
Sis, may issue yung mga kaibigan mo dito.
Sorry guys, better luck next time.
Bili na lang kayo. Susunod na wedding vows ulit nila.
See you after 13 years. Thank you so much po.